Hello students, in today's session we are starting the new lesson, chapter 7, Can you see the pattern? Students, we can see many different types of patterns in various objects. The border of the saris, kurtas, border of umbrellas, decorated pots, and like that in many objects we can see various patterns. Now what are patterns? Patterns are repeated designs, and these are formed by the repetition of turns of designs on some rules. That means when the turns are repeated on some rules, they form patterns. And you have already learned about different types of turns, like a half turn. Half turn means a turn of 180 degree, and half turn the object will be looking upside down, right? And also you learned about 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn means a turn of 90 degree. In 1/4 turn, a horizontal object in horizontal position will look like vertically, and an object in vertical position will look horizontally. That is 1/4 turn, 90 degree turn. And also you learned about 1/3 turn. 1/3 turn is the turn of 120 degree, and 1/6 turn means turn of 60 degree. And then here in this lesson, we are also going to learn about 1/8 turn. 1/8 turn means a turn of 45 degree, and also 3/4 turn, a turn of 270 degree. Okay. Now as I told, the patterns are formed when the turns are repeated on certain rules. Now we will see the rules. First rule 1 given. Repeat the pattern. Repeat the design in this block with a 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is the turn of 90 degree. See here in the first figure, you can see the flower. Tip of the flower is facing top, facing to the front side, top side. It is facing to the top side. And when it make a 90 degree turn, that is 1/4 turn, this tip will be coming to the right side. See here. Here now the tip of the flower is facing to the top, and this tip of the flower will be coming to the right side when it makes a 90 degree turn. And in the next 90 degree turn, it will be coming down. See, from this right side position, it will be coming to the bottom position. The tip of the flower is now down. Now, in the next 90 degree position, it will be coming to the left side. See here. Here, the first figure, it is on the top. Second figure, it is in the right side. Third figure, it is coming down. And in the fourth figure, you can see it is coming to the left side. Again, in the fourth turn, that is in the fifth figure, first is the original position, second after first turn, and here after second turn, here it is after third turn, and after the fourth turn, it will be coming to the original position. That means when an object make 1/4 turn, in the fourth turn, it will be looking like the original figure. Now, the second rule is repeat it with a half turn. Half turn means a turn of 180 degree. And in 180 degree turn, the object will be looking upside down. See, here the tip of the flower is facing to the top. And when it make a 180 degree turn or a turn of a half turn, here tip will be coming directly down. See here. From here, the tip of the flower will be coming down. And in the next half turn, again it will come back to the original position. So, an object, when it makes a half turn, in the second turn, it is coming back to the original position. Again, the turns are repeating so that it can form the pattern. Now you are going to learn about the 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn means a turn of 270 degree. Here see, First figure, that is the original figure, the tip of the flower is to the top. And when it make a turn of 3/4, that is 270-degree turn, from here it will be coming to the left position. See, when it comes to here, look at the movement of the pointer. When it come to this position, 90-degree making, again down coming 180-degree, again 180 plus 90, 270-degree, it will be coming to the left position. See, the tip of the flower will be faced to the left. Now, in that position, when it makes another 3/4 turn, another turn of 270-degree, it will be, see from here, it comes here, then 90 completing, again when it comes here, 180 completing, and when it reaches here, it will be completing a turn of 270 degrees. It means in the second 3/4 turn, it will be coming to this position. Again, when it makes another 3/4 turn, the tip of the flower will be coming to the right side. And in the next one, again it will be coming to the original position. This way, in 3/4 turn, the patterns will be being after the repetition of the turns. Okay, children. And now we will see some question given in textbook, that is given under the heading practice time on page number 100. Here, the question is, what should come next? Therefore, making you understand, I have drawn the line across the circle. See here, the pattern is formed by the repetition of 45-degree turns. 45-degree means 1/8 turns. So, I have divided the circle into 8 equal parts. 45-degree turn means 1/8 turn. So, this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. See here. 8 equal parts are there. And in the original figure, this black line is this position. And when it makes a 45-degree turn, see the movement of the pointer from here, it will be coming to this position. See here, that is shown in the second figure. Again from there, when it makes another 45-degree turn, here it will come. See here, that is shown here. And we have to find out what will be the, how the design will look in the next turn. So now it is here, no? When it makes another turn of 45-degree, it will be coming here. That means this figure it will be. See. That means now it is here. Again it is coming down and to this position. Right? So the next column will be of this figure. And again it is going to make another 45-degree turn, means it will be looking like this. See here. So here, first is the original figure. This dark line is starting from here, and when it makes 45-degree, from here it comes to this position that is shown here. In the next 45-degree turn, it will be looking like this here, and in the next turn, and it will look like this figure, and in the next 45-degree turn, it will be looking like this. See from here you can understand. Next 45-degree means this way the line will come. So the orange color will completely come down, and in next 45-degree again it will be forming like the original, not like the original position, just opposite of the original position. Okay. Now the second figure is capital N, and here it is making 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn means 90-degree. When it makes a 90-degree turn, this now you can say the N is written, and it will be looking this position here. This from here the point will be coming to this side. That means it will be looking this way, and in the next figure, that is 180-degree, it will be looking like the inverted position of N, but N will be looking the same in inverted position also. So it is the 180-degree turn. Here first 90-degree, then second next 90-degree, that means 180-degree turn, and here it is making the next 90-degree turn, that means 270-degree turn. And here in the fourth turn, it will be looking like the original figure. So first it is the original figure, then it makes a 90-degree turn, it will be looking like this. Again 90-degree, it will be looking like the inverted N, and N in inverted position will look the same. So we will be feeling like it is the real N only, but actually it is the inverted position of 180-degree turn. Now after it, when it makes next 90-degree turn, it will look like this. And in the fourth turn, the object will be looking like the original shape. Okay. Now here, equilateral triangles are given. Equilateral triangle will be looking the same in 120-degree turn. 120-degree turn means a turn of 1/3 by 1/3. No, here from the triangle shape, it will be looking the same only, so we cannot find out the change. But the inside designs are different. So easily we can note down the change in each turn. This is the original figure. When it makes a turn of 120-degree, here this of 120-degree turn means a 1/3 turn it is making, 1/3 turn. So this position will be coming to this side, see. In the next 1/3 turn of 120-degree, from here it will be coming to this position. Now this one easily you can say, and in the next turn, this design will be coming on the top here, right? See here. And in the next turn, from the top it will come into this side. So these three figures are given in the question, and from here it will be coming to the top in the fourth figure, and again it will be coming to this side in the next figure. So here the rule is 1/3 turn, a turn of 120-degree. Here the pattern is formed by 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is turn of 90-degree. 90-degree. Here the design is here at the bottom. When it make a 90-degree turn, the design will be coming to the left side. Here the clockwise the turn is forming, means turn is repeating in the clockwise direction. So from here it will be coming to the left side. Here, see here. And in the next 90-degree turn or 1/4 turn, from here it will come to the top. See here on the top. So when it make the next 1/4 turn, from the top it will come to the right side. Here it will see. And the next turn from right it will come down again. 1/4 turn, 1/3 turns are easy to understand. So first in the original figure it is down. When it makes a 1/4 turn of 90-degree, it will come into the left side. Again the next turn it will come to the top. The next turn it will come to the right. Next turn from right it will come to the bottom position. So these are on the base of 1/4 turn or turn of 90-degree. Now the next question is, some patterns are given. F. The rule of the pattern is turning a 45-degree. Here the design is turned is making a turn of 45-degree, and we have to find out which figure will be the next turn. Here F is there. When it makes a 45-degree turn, 1/8 turn, it will be looking like this, and in the next 45-degree turn, it will be looking in this position, and next it will look like this. Can you say what will be the next? It will be this figure, right? The next design will be of this figure, inverted F. Why? It is making the 45-degree turn. Here 45, here 45 plus 45, 90. Here 90 plus 45, 135. And in the next figure of 45, 135 plus 45, 180. And you know, in the 180-degree turn, that is, it is making the half turn, it will be looking upside down. So this F will be looking upside down as this figure in this column. Okay. Now, here this type of question will be coming to only choose the correct answer only. You will not be asked to draw the patterns or the designs. Here also 45-degree turns are repeated. And this original figure, first 45, second 45, it will be looking this way, and next 45-degree turn, it will look this way, and in the next 45 it will be looking like the inverted L. Then again the next turn it will look like this, and the next turn, that is 270-degree turn, it will be looking in this horizontal position. Again the next turn of 45, and in the 8th turn, see here, it's the original figure, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th turn of 45-degree, the object will be looking the same. Again, the turn will be repeating. Here, second column, what is given? Same will be repeated in the 9th column, right? And 8th column and first column and 8th column, the same figure only will come. Here also same. So first column P, original P is given. Now when it makes 8th turn, see here 8th turn, 45-degree turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th turn, it will be looking upside down in the inverted position. And again, that means 90-degree. Again in the 90-degree, sorry, not 90-degree, 180-degree. Again in the 180-degree turn, in the 8th column, it will be looking the same. Here 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 45, 135. Yes, 180-degree, it will be looking upside down. Again, in after 180-degree, that is, in the 8th figure, it will be looking like the original P. Okay, children? By this, today's session is completing.